Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Advik Career Craft with one more interesting and useful video for you. In this video, we are continuing our essential business phrases series, which will help you to speak confidently and fluently in corporate life. These business phrases are highly useful in the day-to-day professional conversation. To communicate effectively in business, it's important to have these phrases and the sentences stored in your mind. Without them, it's difficult to express the thought fluently and naturally. If you want to master the business communication, stay tuned as we are going to cover the following phrases today. And from the series, this is the first video. And let's dive into the each phrases with a simple explanation and the example to boost your business vocabulary. And first phrase is add fuel to the fire. What does it mean? It means make a bad situation worse. And let's understand it by example. Delayed deliveries only add a fuel to the fire for the customer complaint. This is an example for add a fuel to the fire, where we are making a bad situation worse. Let's see next phrase. Next phrase is ahead of curve. What does it mean? It means more advanced or innovative. Investing in AI keep the company ahead of the curve. The next phrase is ahead of pack. And it means better or more successful. Let's understand it by example. An example is his proactive approach and the leadership skill put him ahead of the pack during the project. Moving to the next slide. And the next phrase is action point. What does it mean? It means a task to be completed or list of tasks. An example, the key action point from the meeting is to finalize the testing strategy by the Friday. Moving to the next phrase, against clock, and its meaning limited time to get done or in a great hurry to get something done before time. An example, the team is against the clock to submit report. Next phrase, a long shot, and its meaning unlikely but possible. An example, winning the client is a long shot. Moving to the next phrase, a tough nut to crack, and its meaning is difficult challenge, or something is difficult to crack or to complete. An example, increasing engagement is a tough nut to crack. Moving to the next phrase, at the end of the day. What does it mean? It means ultimately after or after everything. An example, at the end of the day, customer satisfaction matter in the business. Moving to the next phrase, at the snail pace. What does it mean? It means very slow progress, or something is in progress but with some delayed, with some delay. And let's see example, the project is moving at a snail pace. Moving to the next phrase, all hand on deck, and its meaning everyone working urgently. An example, it's all hand on deck to launch the application with the latest feature. Moving to the next phrase, above board, and it's mean honest and legal, or doing something with the honest and legal. And let's understand it by example, the agreement is completely above board, means it's legal and with honest. Moving to the next phrase, against all odds. And it's mean despite many difficulties or challenge to accomplish something or to do something. Let's example the startup success against all the odds in securing funding during the recession. Moving to the next, ask for the moon. And let's understand it by the example, and its meaning is to make unrealistic demand. An example is expecting 50% salary hike is in this economy is the like asking for the moon. These are the phrases are very important in day-to-day business conversation. Hope it's clear to you all, and we'll catch up in the next video with a few more essential business phrases. Stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so you won't miss out on any updates and video. Before that, which business phrase do you use most often? Comment your favorite phrases in below comment box. Keep practicing. See you soon. Thank you.